Direct and indirect. There are two ways of reporting what someone has spoken. When the exact words spoken by a person are used, it is called direct speech. When the words spoken by a person are put in your word, it is called indirect speech. Examples: direct speech. Geeta said, I want to become a doctor. Indirect speech. Geeta said that she wanted to become a doctor. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Rule 1. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense remains unchanged. For example, Raman says, I am ill. Direct. Raman says that he is ill. Indirect. Radha says, Garima will meet me on Monday. Direct. Radha said that Garima will meet her on Monday. Rule 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, all the tense of reported speech will be changed into the corresponding past tense in the following manner. For example, simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. Example, she said, I am a good singer. She said that she was a good singer. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. He said he is reading a newspaper. For example, he said that he was reading a newspaper. That is in indirect. Now third, present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. Example, he said the train has arrived at the platform. And indirect, he said that the train had arrived at the platform. Present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. For example, he said, it has been raining for 4 hours. And indirect, he said that it had been raining for 4 hours. Simple past tense is changed into past perfect tense. Example, I said to him, you made many mistakes. And indirect, I told him that he had made many mistakes. For past continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Example, the teacher said all the boys were playing cricket. Indirect, the teacher said that all the boys had been playing cricket. In past perfect is left unchanged. For example, Ankur said Rohit had already gone to school. When it comes to indirect, Ankur said that Rohit already gone to school. In future simple tense, will is changed into would. For example, the leader said, I will fulfill my promise. In indirect, the leader said that he would fulfill his promise. Can is changed into could and may into might in the indirect speech. For example, the boss said to me, you can go now. And it is indirect, the boss said to me that I could go then. If the reported speech refers to a universal or habitual fact, the simple present tense remains unchanged in the reported speech. Example, the teacher said the earth moves around the sun. He said that the earth moves around the sun in indirect speech. Rule 4. The pronouns of the direct speech are changed according to the following rules. First, if the subject of the reporting verb is I, will be no change in subject will changing into indirect speech. Example, I say he is not well. I say that he is not well. If the subject of the reporting verb is you and the subject of the reported speech is I, the I will be replaced by you in the indirect speech. For example, you said, I am going to the market. You said that you were going to the market. If the subject of the reporting verb is in the third person, the subject of the reported speech will be changed according to. Example, Rohit says to me, you are weak. In indirect, Rohit tells me that I am weak. Rule 5. The words showing nearness are replaced by the words showing distance. Direct speech and indirect speech. Now, then, these, those, this, that, today, that day, here, there, last night, the previous night, ago, before, tomorrow, the next day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day. Example, the doctor said, I am busy now. When it is indirect, the doctor said that he was busy then. Interrogative sentences, for example, questioning. In reporting questions from direct to indirect, keep the following rules in mind. The first, the reporting verb is changed into asked or inquired, etc. Second, use the conjunction if or whether in place of inverted commas when the reported speech starts with helping verb is, am, are, do, does, has, have, can, shall, etc. Third, if the reported speech starts with WH family like what, when, why, who, how, etc., it is used as a conjunction. Example, Arnav said to me, are you happy? Arnav asked me if I was happy. Imperative sentences like giving commands and requests. A sentence which expresses command, request, advice or suggestion is called as imperative sentence. To change such sentences into indirect speech, the words ordered, requested, advised or suggested are added to the reporting verbs. For example, I said to him, please give me a glass of water. When indirect, I requested him to give me a glass of water. If the imperative sentence is negative, then not to is used before the first form of the main verb. For example, Mohit said, don't touch my books. Mohit warned not to touch his books. Note that to is used after the reporting verb and before the verb, which should be in the first form in the indirect speech. Exclamatory sentences. A sentence which expresses a state of joy, sorrow, wonder is called as exclamatory sentence. To change such sentence, the words exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, or exclaimed with wonder are added to the reporting verb. Example, they said, hurrah, we have won the match. They exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.